everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing my fall get ready with me and also how I do my makeup for when I go take vlog pictures or I'm filming. So this is usually the makeup that I'm doing, and also it's a fall edition, so I'm going to be showing you all the products that I've been using and switched my makeup routine for fall. I also used this palette for the first time. It's the Tartelette In Bloom, so we play around with that for the first time. And yeah, I just share with you how I get ready for a day of filming and taking vlog pictures, fall edition. So let's see how I did this makeup, shall we? Before I started my makeup, I already did all my skincare. So the next step is primer. I use Too Faced Hangover Primer. How I apply this is I just a few dots all over my face and I just rub it in with my hands. I make sure to do my T-zone where I get the most oily and the more protection. After I prime, I take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Nude, and I just do the same as I did with the primer. Apply a few dots all over my face and then I blend it in with a Real Technique sponge. Then I take my favorite concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the shade Medium, and I just draw triangles underneath my eyes and then put it on the forehead, down my nose, and then problem areas on my cheeks, and then by my nose. So that is how I use the concealer. Then I just take the Real Technique sponge again and blend it all out. I start off blending out the face concealer and then I do my under eyes. I'm very dry at the moment because of the weather, so I'm going to skip powdering my face today. If I do get a little bit oily, I bring some blotting powder and then just touch it up. Next, we're gonna move on to brows. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette, and then to set them in place, I use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So this is my go-to brow combo at the moment. I make sure to brush out my brows because they do get a little bit messy. I try to shape them and get them in place before I fill them in with the other side. So I use the spoolie that the brush comes with, and then I just use pencil and start filling it in where there's sparse areas like feather-like strokes, and that's how I do my brows. After I fill them in and I'm happy with it, I'll take the spoolie again and then brush them out. Then I'll apply the brow setter and set them in place. Once the brows are all finished and on fleek, as they say, I take my contouring palette. I'm still using this one. I love it still, and I just use some Real Techniques brushes to do the contouring with the sculpting brush and the Real Techniques blush brush. So those are the two things I use for my contour and blush. I just take the sculpting brush and dip it into both contour shades like so, and then I just do the fishy face and then contour. Once I do both sides, then I just blend it all out so it's even and I have a nice contoured face. Once I blended it out, I blend it out even more with my Real Technique sponge to get a bit that really like sharp contour look. As for blush, I do the same thing. I just dip my brush in both the colors and just apply it to the apples of my cheek and blend it upwards. So after that, I wait to do my highlight until the end. So pretty much I'm done with my face. I'll just go in and touch it up at the end. So now we're moving on to eye makeup. For eyes today, I'm going to be using the Tartelette In Bloom for the first time, so you're gonna try it out with me. So I got this palette in the sale during the 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. So I actually got this palette for like $8 because I had points saved up. So it was such a good deal. It was $20 and then I got it for $8. It was quite a bargain for me, so I'm excited to try this today. So that is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be trying out today. And then these brushes are just from Marshalls. I picked them up the other day and decided to try this out with the new palette because I was too lazy to wash my makeup brushes. So let's try these two new things. It is so pretty and perfect for right now. So honestly, since I never use this palette, I don't know what shades we're going to try today, but we are going to create some kind of eye look. I'm going to take this fluffy crease brush and just dip it into Smarty pants, and then we're going to blend it all over the eye. I'm going to be doing it in windshield wipe motions back and forth just to blend in the color, and I'm focusing it more on the outer crease, then I blend it all out in a windshield wipe motion. Then I'm just going to take this eyeshadow brush and dip it in Firecracker and pat it on my lid. Again, doing that same thing on the other eye. I'm just patting it into the center of my lid. Then I'm going to take this fluffy angle brush and dip it into Funny Girl and apply that to the inner corner part of my lid and just give it a little bit more sparkle. Do it on the other side as well. Then I'm going to go back in with the fluffy crease brush and just add a little bit more Smarty pants to the outer crease. Then I'm going to take this brush and use the shade Charmer and use it as a brow highlight as well as an inner corner highlight. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Funny Girl to make the inner corner really sparkle after I highlighted it. Then I'm just going to blend everything together and finish off eye. Next, I'm going to be using liquid eyeliner for this look, doing a little bit of a wing. I have this e.l.f. eyeliner that I got when I ran out of my favorite one, and this was the cheapest at the drugstore, so I picked it up. I'm going to use it until it runs out to not waste it. I'm just going to do my liner. I'm still not the best at it, especially using a new brush, but I'm going to use that today and just draw on my wing. Okay, one down, the other one to go. Not my best at wing liner, but it will do for now. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and just coat my lashes with it. I'm not gonna be wearing false eyelashes today because I just want it to be simple. I just want a little bit of mascara on my lashes. I do about 2 or 3 coats depending on how luminous I want them to be for the day. Now that my eyes are all finished and I'm pretty happy with the results, I'm going to be doing highlighter. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Zoella X Colourpop highlighter. I'm going to be using the shade Swipe Right, and then I'm just going to be using this Wheel Techniques brush. I like that it's a really subtle glow, and I just dust it on. Then I do my brow bone, tip of my nose, and then my cupid's bow. Then once that's all done, I like to use the sponge and just blend everything together. For lip, I am doing my Everyday Fall shade. This is the NYX lip liner in mauve, and then the lipstick I'm going to be wearing is the NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. These are so amazing together, and it's been my everyday fall lip. I just apply the lip liner. I don't really overline my lips. I just give it some shape, and then I put the liquid lipstick on top. And that is my lip combo that I've been loving for fall. So now we're just going to set my makeup in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Just going to spray this all over my face. Then I'm just going to be using the sponge and then blend it all together while it's wet and just set my makeup. And this is a finished hair and makeup look for today. I think we're made of something. I really liked how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. Again, I'm just a makeup lover. I'm not really a professional. This is just how I do my makeup, and I just played around with the eyeshadow palette for the first time, so I need to play around with it some more to really get some pretty eye looks out of it, but I like how it turned out. So that is it for my fall get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more beauty videos like this, please let me know and give me a thumbs up, and I will link all the makeup that I use down below and all the shade names if you're interested. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!